Hello, in this video I'll show you how to change phone numbers on Ticketmaster. Now it's an extremely easy process. All you have to do is just simply open the Ticketmaster website or the Android or iOS application. Then go to My Accounts. Over here, just click on My Profile. Then click on Profile Details. Now wait for a few seconds. And right over here, if you scroll down, you will find few options. And among those, you will find the option of phone number. So what you have to do is click on Update Number. Now wait for a few seconds. Now a one-time password has been sent to you in the inbox that is linked with your account. So just simply go ahead and check your inbox. Now after you get the one-time code, just simply paste it right over here. Click on Confirm. Then wait for a few seconds. After that, you will have a new sign-in page. Over here, just simply enter the email address and the password of your account. Then click on Sign In. After it is done, all you have to do is just simply enter the phone number right over here. And after it is done, just simply confirm your phone number right over here. And after that, click on Next. Now again, a one-time code will be sent to you on that particular number. So just simply wait for the OTP. Now paste that one-time code and click on Confirm. And now all you have to do is just simply enter the new number and complete the process by entering the OTP, and then you are good to go. So that's it. And if this video was helpful, please consider subscribing and liking the video.